So we're about to unbox the Euro trim for the front. I have both pieces, and as you saw in the last clip, we did the back. So I know that these go on one side at a time, but you have to do the driver's side first because they kind of overlap right here. I think, I'm not tripping. I'm gonna unbox the other side real quick. What is this? So I remember I've done this before, and I put it on wrong. I like how they put one nice as fuck. I like how they put one nice, all wrapped up, and they put the other one. Yeah. All right, let's go. Let's put this on. Hey, got me cracking up, bro. Is there pieces in there? Oh my God. Stay up, bro. Well, that's how you do that. You get the other side. Sheesh. Sheesh. That's crazy. Yeah, this is the part that I was talking about where it overlaps. You see this side goes down, and then this side will just go right up on it, and it'll just cover up the edge. So driver's side first, then passenger side. I'm struggling. Got one more. Course. It needs to come down a little bit. Alright, so currently working on the last strip of the rear bumper. As you saw, we laid in the edge or the corner of the Euro trim for the rear, so now we're going to do the center strip. I'm just kind of mocking it up, not actually snapping the clips in because I want to make sure that I'm putting it in the right way because there is a top and a bottom side to it. If you look very closely, one of these edges is wider than the other. Maybe I'm tripping, maybe I'm not, but I'm going to put it on the way I think goes best. So I think I got it. I'm just gonna snap it in now. So let's see if I do it right.